to the side between the bolt. This one's still going hot, so I'm going to keep an eye on that, trying to keep that one to loosen off.
Right.
I'd like to see that loosen off a bit. And
well, yeah, if it releases the tension, hopefully then we can adjust it.
on.
If it releases that tension naturally, then we can adjust it later.
Yeah. And these road wheels here, these really bad road wheels. Yeah, this little stuff to the rims.
Right.
Yeah. Yeah, the rubber's still stuck to the rims, so I don't think they'll come off. But I guess I'll get somebody to keep an eye on them as it's going round. Hi, I'm Malcolm Towrie. I'm a volunteer at the Ontario Regiment Museum. We've been working on the Centurion behind me for a couple of years now. Me and some of the crew over here. And we're just about to take it out for its first drive in probably 40 years, I figure, since it was decommissioned by the Canadian Forces back in the late 70s. So this is a big day for us here. Rich, what happens when the tyre on a road wheel comes off? What comes apart?
It'll just bounce around a lot. It doesn't really happen when they come off. It just kind of bounce around on the inside.
Yeah.
If it comes over the outside,